looks like this, no tangles. You want the yellow end first. Just the way you want to slide it around the tyre. You don't want to go this way, it gets tangled up a lot easier. Nice and even, you want to keep it away from the back of the tyre so it's not like this. Just back here. And you're slipping the joint to about the middle of the tyre. Once you do that, just lift it up off the ground. There's a joint at the top here. Here's where it's pretty important not to let go.
Yeah.
If you let go, it'll fall behind, get wrapped up in your axle.
Yeah.
So, bring the chain around to the front, do the same on this side. Just so you can get to this blue hook on these 3 lengths. You always hook it on the last length. Once you do that, you just push it back over the tyre. There'll be a bit rough with it on the big tyres. So what you're aiming for is to get this chain nice and centre with your sidewall. When you come down the bottom, you've got this tightening chain here.
Yep.
You've got your ratchet on this side. Now the ratchet's open from one side. So you open it, leave this chain through the side, put it tighten. And with this excess chain, you just chuck it in the ratchet like this. And this is rubber with a hook on it. So you stretch the rubber just so it holds tension in it so it's not loose.
Yeah.
Once you do this, your last step is just to drive forward about 4 or 5 metres.
Yeah.
And you've got to get back out and give it another tighten.
Yeah.
Because it loosens up a little bit. So you just drive forward, jump back here, unhook, pull it forward again, pull it tight, and then you put this back, and then you're all good to go.
Good to go.
When you want to take them off, you just need to have this pink tag back at the top, between here and there. Okay. Just because this line's back up with the join that's at the back. Otherwise, if this is at the bottom, means this is at the bottom, you can't reach. So you just won't be able to take it off.
Yeah, makes sense.
So yeah, you want to have that back at the top. Once you do that, everything's the same to take off. So you just reverse. From here, you just pull it forwards, loosens this up, and you just pull it forward so you see the join back up at the top. And you just bring it down to the front. And then at this point, you'll still be on the chain.
Yeah.
So you will just need to drive forward because you won't be able to pull it out.
Yeah.
So that's about it. That's so easy.
All right, thanks for that.
Yeah, right.